Orlando. I got my box in, and I said I was gonna do an unboxing. So let's check out this box here and see what kind of goodie we got. This is for one of the toy companies that I got approved for, so I'm very excited. This is one of the things that I had bought that was on back order, and it finally came in. So let's open it up. What's in the box? What's in the box? I don't know. I'll just go like that because I don't want you guys to see any of my paperwork. Yeah. Oh, it came into 2 boxes. Cool. So it's gonna be 2 of the same exact item. I got 1 and I got 2. Unfortunately, my handheld phone thing broke on me. I should have asked for that for my birthday. I just had a birthday this past Saturday, and my kids asked me what I wanted, and I should have told them I want the phone holder. So this is a Power Ranger red helmet that's supposed to light up, and I got these for, there's the info right there, but I got these for $40, and they were selling for about $100 on eBay. Let me grab my other thing. So I'm not gonna open up the other one because I want to do sealed, but I can sell this one open box, or I can just tape it back up because I'm not gonna, use it or anything. Hold on, this is kind of hard to do with one hand. Don't want to cut myself either. There we go. But it looked pretty cool. Oh, there we go. It looked really cool, actually. And if you're a Power Ranger fan, this will be up in our eBay store the next day or so. Oh, yeah, it's the red one too. So it is Power Ranger Lightning Collection. So this is supposed to be like a nightlight, I guess, for a kid. So if you're a Power Ranger fan, you may actually like this. Let me get out of the box. Give me 1 second as I work with one hand here. Actually, I'm going to tilt it because I don't want it to get messed up. 1 second, guys. I'm wiggling it out. Alright. So it is the Power Ranger Lightning Collection Mighty Morphin Red Ranger helmet in different languages. It all says helmet. This is not a ripoff or this is from Hasbro. It takes 4 batteries, as you can see up there. But yeah, it's kind of cool looking. And I got 2 of these to kind of test the waters to see, and then they just came back in. They just came back in stock. So this is what it looks like for those of you guys who are not aware. So it's a little stand that you can put. And what's it say up here? It says Premium Role Play Helmet. And it's got a little button right there. And what's it say down here? It says display stand to support it, and the support base with the Go Power Rangers. Then over here, I think that's the on and off switch. Adjustable fit. Oh, adjustable fit. Interesting. So it says, who's this here? A natural leader who inspires bravery and loyalty in his friends, Jason Lee Scott becomes the Mighty Morphin Red Ranger and leads his team against the forces of evil. Leader, natural, and spirit. Oh, it's the same thing, but in French. But that's cool. So that's what it looks like. And I'm not going to take it out of the box because I do want to sell it as a sealed box. And again, I got this for $40, and it is going for... when I got it, it was going for about $100 on eBay. I'm going to look it up. And then I'll go ahead and... you know what I'll do? I will look it up. And then I will attach that video right behind this one. Just to show you what the comps on these are. Give us an idea of what to sell them for. I might put it on eBay, and I might put it on Letgo and OfferUp, just to see where I might get the best deal. But either way, I'm happy that it came in here. I told you guys I was gonna do the unboxing, so there's the unboxing for these. And stay tuned as I am going to do the comps on eBay, and then that will be the next video you watch. So here we go with the comps. Alright guys, so we're gonna go ahead and scan this barcode here. I already did it on Amazon, but let's go ahead and check that. Let's go like this real fast. Go to Amazon. So I looked it up on Amazon, and that's the same one that I have, and as you can see, it's trending on Amazon for $95.99, so about $100 or so. And then I checked it on eBay as well. So let's go to eBay. And I just scanned it. Just let me go start from the beginning. So I'll rescan it so you guys can see. So I'm going to go take the picture, scan the bar, then we're going to scan it. Boop, there we go. Scan the barcode, and then it's going to show you what it's going for. So this is what people are selling it for, right? $90, $94, $98, $89, $99 with $17, $99 with $20 shipping. So that's what I figured, about $100. So after you do that, you're gonna hit filter. From filter, you're gonna go up, click on show more, then you're gonna go up and up. You're gonna go to it says sold items, click on there. It's going to say 17 results. And then you can see today is November 11th. So 2 days ago it sold for about $90, $90, $90. This one sold for $100 with $20 shipping. This one sold for $70. This one sold for $79. But you see it says trending at $90. So I mean, it's kept its value at about $100, which is what I wanted. This one was $94. This one, someone put it up for auction. See, it says one bid, and they sold it for $50. So they actually lost out on $50 extra had they not put it on auction. So that's why I like looking at it this way, because I can see, okay, what did it sell for auction compared to buy it now? Buy it now, obviously, it's about $100, and they're charging $20 shipping. This one here is brand new in the box, like mine is. Trending at $104 with $10 shipping, so you're looking at about $114, $115. This one actually sold for $104, but it's trending for $107. So about $100, $105 with shipping, or $99 with $20 shipping. Even pre-owned was $54. This guy here sold it for $124, so you know, $114. It's always good to see that. And then you got your international people down here in Italy and United Kingdom and whatever. But here in the US, it's trending for about $100, which is what I wanted. And again, I paid $40 for these. I can sell it for about, you know, $100 to $105. So I'm going to start it at $105 and put best offer received, but I'm not going to go under $90. And I'm still going to make about $40, $50 in profit. Let's say $40 in profit. So I'm gonna double my money in the two that I bought. So I'm gonna put these up on eBay, most likely either tonight or tomorrow sometime when I get a chance. I'll put them up on eBay. I'm gonna do two things. I'm gonna put it up. For a week with just like this one that sold for $124.99, showing the box sealed. And then I'm going to put it up like this one that sold for $79, even though it's trending at $104, inside the original box. I might just take pictures of both and see where it goes for. But I'm really going to shoot for about $107 and see what kind of best offer I get. But these are cool looking Power Ranger things. The kids are still into Power Rangers. Those of us that grew up with Power Rangers in the 80s and 90s still like them. So they're collectibles, and it's cool to have a night light, you know, with the Power Ranger, especially the red one. That's the cool one there. So, yeah, just different things I want to try. This is a toy company that I just started with. You have to get approved to sell with them. So I just got the approval. This is one of the first things that I ordered, but I did order a big item that's coming for Christmas. Which is a cool kind of statue that costs about $190 or so. but it sells for about $600 to $700 on eBay. So it's a cool item, hard to find, and I was happy to grab that one. I have that one coming. They're coming back in stock in well, already in November. So they're coming back in stock in the early December, so I should get it maybe before Christmas, but it's not a Christmas item. It's just a cool statue to have for collectibles, so it sells all year round. If I get it before Christmas, that would be super cool, so I can put it up. But if not, then I can definitely put it up for the first of the year. When that comes in, I will show you guys what that is. But yeah, just trying out new things. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give me a thumbs up. Give me a comment below of what price would you put these Power Ranger lighting collectible night lights. What price would you shoot for? And what price, if you're getting it at $40, would you be happy selling it for, considering you're going to ship it as well? So thanks for watching, and we'll see you guys on the next video.